Oh, what happened? Uh-oh. No, the bike stopped working on me. It's completely dead. I don't know what happened. One of the rotor screws came out and it cut the wires to the motor. Yeah, it fit in there. Thanks, man.
You made it.
Yeah. Oh my God, Super 73's down. This is down. All right, guys, what a damn day it has been so far. We're going way off topic today, man. I got a lot of stuff to say, and if I mess up, I mess up. I don't really care right now. I am so far behind on getting to work. I am on my Rev 1. It's the street version, not the DRT. I actually sold the DRT model, just so you guys know. And the reason I did, because some big news real quick, this is the good news, is that Ride1up is sending me my own. And I asked them if they could send me the Toy Soldier one, and they said, yeah, we'll send you the Toy Soldier one. So I was like, cool. So now I'll be able to see how that one looks, and I'm gonna go around all this traffic on a bike. I don't really care. So I'm excited for that. We'll be able to check that out. And then I also have the GOAT e-bike coming soon. I'm gonna go this way. We'll get in the bike lane. I want to say the GOAT bike is coming tomorrow and the Rev 1 is coming June 2nd. But either way, we have those two bikes coming, and then I signed a contract with Ihora. They have like a dual motor, huge bike coming out, so we're gonna check that out. I know that if we do get the Rev 1 from Ride1up, I hit them up and asked them about getting an extra battery, because obviously I need this battery for the lights on this bike if I still ride it. And I wanted to buy a battery from them, but I don't know if affiliates like me, you know, that help sell their bikes, if we get like discounts or not. And if we don't, then I'll just buy it off of like Amazon or something like that. I think they're like 400 something bucks, but I'd rather get one from the company. And then I also need a battery blender. And then what else do I need? Oh, I need the basket. The basket that I have in here, I need it for the new bike. So I'm gonna take that molly plate off or whatever it's called. But yeah, so I'm waiting for them to get back to me on that. But the good thing is the bike is coming. That's the great thing, is that we don't have to worry about that anymore. And this guy's trying to race. This guy's going fast. I'm doing 54 miles an hour. It says 53.8. That guy's just about to hit everybody. People around. This is why I took my bike today. I don't trust people, especially on a holiday. No, thank you. Hey, happy run. Did I sell that to somebody? Oh my God, I remember what we needed to talk about. My Super 73. It doesn't work anymore. Oh my God, we got to get into that when we hit the night riding footage, because there's just too much to talk about. That's probably what we'll talk about on the way back. Give me 9 hours, it'll be 5 seconds for you guys. Be back real quick. All right, just make sure you have your hands on the brakes. And then that's the throttle. As soon as you barely touch that, it will go. It's on mode 1, so it won't go any faster than like 11 or 12.
Right there at the right time.
Hey, over here too.
Like an old lady, bro. Like,
well, I left it in mode 1.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why. That's why it's only going like 10. I could put it to 2. 2 goes to like 20 something. It gets more twitchy the higher you go up. All right, I'll try that.
This is the...
Yeah, just don't go that high, because it will literally, you'll probably, it'll backflip without you on it.
You gotta make the graduation too. You almost fell, bro.
Yeah.
You almost fell.
We're gonna keep it at 2.
No, let's go back.
We're gonna keep it at 2. Because you have to know your weight too. You can't lean too far back on these. It will just do a wheelie. But that's good. That's like a class 3 e-bike right there on mode 2. He's just gone.
Mode 2 or what?
Yeah, take it to the dunes. Oh, for real.
I mean, if you put different tires on it, probably, yeah. Yeah, dude. Cool.
Oh, it's fun, bro.
It smells bad.
Right? What happened?
Is he still there?
Oh man. He's like, I rode that.
I just want to see the weight.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Just watch out for the throttle.
Oh bro, this is not bad.
It's exactly like my Super 73. The front brakes don't work very well, I'll tell you that. What's funny is that was probably my first ever burnout, and definitely put a lot of marks in the ground. I don't personally do burnouts on these bikes because I just don't want to mess up the tires, but I don't really ride the Rev 1 too much, so I figured why not pull a Surronster and just waste my tire a little bit.
Yeah, this is lit, bro. I get this like a. I get this about getting 9, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's the only one. I was the first one to make this, and then everyone started copying my videos, and I tried to show people how to build it. So I at least had the first 72 volt Rev 1, and then it went from there, and community picked up, and now people are doing more crazier shit than I did on this one.
I probably like want to change this stuff. Like, you know how like you have the lights in your Tesla?
Yeah.
Like get some like this would be cool with like some LED lights, bro. Like,
yeah. It'd be cool to slap some stuff on there. Yeah, some underglow, or at least just some type of wheel lights too. So as you're moving, you got some lights going around. That'd be cool.
Yeah. I mean, the headlights are really good.
Yeah.
They're perfect. Like, definitely perfect. They're like diamond perfect, bro.
Yeah, it's a really good light.
That's lit. I'll give this a 9.5, though.
Cool, man. That's what I put on my review.
Yeah?
It was a 9.5, yeah.
Oh, cute.
And that was before I modded it, though. That was like just bone stock as a regular e-bike, the price that it was.
Damn,
But yeah, that's what I rated it.
Is this one of your favorite ones?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite ones, yeah.
Okay.
I'd say I still like my Super 73 more, but I feel like the frame's gonna break on that one. This one, it shouldn't break. Which I have to talk about my Super 73 in today's video too, because it's not working no more. Yeah. All right, man. Oh, my watch reminded me that I need to talk about the Super 73. So what I need to mention about my Super 73 after we just had some fun with my coworkers and they all told me not to sell this thing. And honestly, I shouldn't be selling it, but I'm just kind of over it. I want to start a new project on the DRT version. I might even just swap out the 72 volt for this, and I might just put this completely back to stock. And I'll put the stock motor on and everything like that, and then maybe I can get rid of it for, I don't know, like 1,200 bucks or something, or 1,100 bucks, we'll see. But yeah, Super 73 is dead, guys. If I have time, when I go home, I'll show you, but it's messed up. I don't think it's the powerful lithium battery on the top. I think it's the bottom battery. It's really, really messed up. So if I hook a charger up to it, the charger will not charge the battery. It will just be 0. And then if I leave the charger on the battery, like connected like to that I'm gonna charge it, and I go to turn the bike on, it stays at 83 volts roughly, and the motor works and everything like that, but then the motor will start cutting off. It's like it doesn't have enough power. So I think it's a Chinese battery that came with the custom e-bike 72 volt 5,000 watt Super 73 kit. That's a lot to say, but you know, when you bought the kit off a custom e-bike, it came with that 32 amp hour battery. It's a very cheap battery wrapped in like blue. It's just garbage. The powerful lithium battery is probably the only thing really working, but since they're connected in parallel, or they're connected in a series, I'm sorry, they're connected together and they run down together, I'm wondering if I disconnect that cheaper battery and just run off the powerful lithium battery and see if that's the issue. I really think that's what the problem is. And if it is, then I'm gonna have to get rid of that cheap battery because I think it's messed up. What up? Oh, what happened? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I don't know, something messed up. What was that? Oh, why do we have to have issues with these bikes? Hold on, let me see. Let me turn it back on to see if it's gonna come back on, but it looks like something came disconnected. Oh man. I'll be stuck out here forever. Oh, at least my buddy's here, but something's locked up on the bike. Something's definitely locked up on the bike in the back. I don't know what that is. Oh. All right, this ain't gonna be fun. I'm gonna have to, damn it. I had plans too. I bet you that's my coworker texting me right now like, hey, what happened? No, the bike stopped working on me. It's completely dead. I don't know what happened. Oh man, just what I need, man. There's no chain connected to this, but it felt like something locked up. So like, I'm wondering if, let me come in here real quick. Something on the connections or something like that. Let me see. Oh, this is lovely. I am so far with a very, very heavy bike right now. Oh my God, Super 73's down. This is down. Oh, that is lovely. There's nothing that I can do that I know of. I can disconnect this, the This is the main power. I don't know what happened. Huh. Very, very weird. It seriously felt like the motor locked up though. That's the best way I can explain it. Like the motor felt like there was a drag to it. Look, it's not moving at all. No input, no nothing. Huh. Dang. Oh, that sucks ass. That absolutely sucks ass. Let me see if something got cut on something. It's the only other thing I can think of. This is cool. These wires, oh, don't tell me these wires got cut by something. That doesn't look good back here. Oh, that could be it. Yo, what up?
Yeah, I just turned back around. I'm at a gas station.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, let me push this up here. Let's get a good look at this. Oh, it does look like it. It does look like the wire got stuck by something. Don't know how that happened. Yeah, that rotor came in contact somehow. I have no idea. That sucks. We're gonna have to get a ride somehow. Yeah, I'm screwed. Nothing's gonna fix that. All right, well, my buddy's here. He's not gonna take me home or nothing, but at least we can hang out. And I'm gonna have to call a ride. What's up? All right, so you guys probably saw that the bike broke down. I was trying to figure out what was wrong with it, and I kind of had an idea, but my buddy Leonde came back to see what's up, and he has an actual flashlight. And basically what happened is, I think we just moved the bike already, but there's one of the rotor screws came out and it cut the wires to the motor. So just something that came loose over time. I think they had Loctite on them, but just sucks. I think the screw that moved is under here now. Yeah, I think it's under here because we rotated the wheel a little bit. But that's unfortunate. So hopefully it'd be an easy fix. Maybe we can solder some wires in there, but I don't know, man. If I need a new motor, these are kind of cheap, I think. Like 700, 600, I don't know, and then sell it. Like I planned on. Man, think if I would have sold this to someone, then that would have happened. About you sold me a messed up bike.
Oh man, we're coming up. Everything goes down.
Yeah.
But I kept, you know what? It's crazy because like when I was driving, I kept smelling something burning. Like
oh,
I was like, is he like, you know what I mean?
That's what it was then.
But it kept going in my car. I'm like,
yeah, nothing to prevent that other than just checking these bikes out and looking at them over time, which you're supposed to do, but I barely ride it. I only have like 100 or 120 miles on this setup, but at least I'll have your help to load it to the guy's car. So what we did is we picked up an Uber XL. The guy's gonna come in, what is it, Toyota Sienna or something? I texted him and called him, and he said that it will fit a bike. I didn't really tell him it was an electric bike that weighs 130 pounds or whatever, but if I have my buddy help me lift it up into his car, when I get it back, I should be able to just lift it up and then put the tire on the ground and get it out. So hopefully everything will be cool. I don't want to mess the guy's car up. And I'm definitely probably not going to record it because I'm going to be busy.
he has insurance.
He's going to charge me for all the damages.
Oh, no, man, here, here's a rope.
Yeah, well, I could barely understand him too on the phone, so I don't know if our English is going to be very good, but I'm hoping he has back seats that he just fold down and...
Is that? No.
No, I wish it was a truck. Man. Even if it was a little tiny ass truck, that'd be cool, hanging off the back of it.
Let's just put a thumb out.
Man. But hey man, I'll give you like 20 bucks.
All right,
oh
Texas,
man.
Like, takes us not to our destination though, but he's like,
right?
You wanna go to In-N-Out?
These aren't the streets to my house.
Right.
We're going to my house, buddy. Some crazy people yelled at us earlier when we were just sitting here because this is a bad neighborhood, man. We are not in a good spot. And I had to go to the bathroom bad, and I was waiting to go home, and I did the wrong thing, man.
And like, this is one hell of a day.
Yeah, it has been a day. All right, I'll probably see you guys when I get back to the house or the office. I'm not even sure. I had plans, and everything's going to hell right now, so. Oh. Want to put it back here? Oh yeah, that works. Cool. Yeah, it fit in there. Thanks, man.
You made it.
Yeah. Thank you, man. Oh, man. All right, guys. So I just got back, had an Uber XL. Hey, buddy. What's up, man? Don't get scared of the helmet and the camera. Don't be camera shy. All right, so we know this bike is done for. That sucks because I was gonna probably use this motor for the DRT, and now it doesn't look like it's gonna happen, but this does have to come apart regardless, so sucky, sucky. I don't know how that happened. I don't know if you guys can even see it. I don't even know what screw it is. There's a screw down there somewhere. Oh, dang, 2 of them are starting to come out. I can see it. I can definitely see it down in there. See this one right here? This screw is loose. I should just see it. Oh, look, I can even almost take it out. Yeah, it's all bad. Oh. Yep, I can almost probably pull that screw out. But anyways, that's what happened. And the Super 73 is down too. And yeah, today has just been a bad day. So check this out. When I turn the Super 73 on, it comes on, right? Oh, turned right back off. But if I put the charger on it, which I'm not going to do because it's been a long day already, it will turn on and will say 83 volts or 84 volts. I'll use the motor and then the voltage will start dropping and it will go. It would just be gone. So I think this battery's okay, but I think this blue one in here is bad. So that's something else I got to do too. So, and I got like 3 bikes coming in right now. So there's a lot to do. So thanks for watching, guys. I am dead. And thanks to the Uber driver for giving me a lift to get this thing. That was, man, I was 3.5 miles away. I had just left work. I was 1 block away from work. So see you guys in the next one. You guys are the true MVPs. Be safe out there riding. And this is kind of preventable if you just check your bike periodically. I'm pretty sure you guys don't have a lot of bikes like me, so I kind of just don't have time to look at all of them, but definitely make sure you check your bolts or try to. All right, peace out. Kitty, kitty, say bye. Okay.